On top of that, we have a cone. Both the radius are same, and radius is equal to 1 centimeter. And height of the cone is equal to its radius. That means this is equal to its radius.
Yes, 1 centimeter.
1 centimeter. Now we have to find the volume of the total solid. So what is the total volume? Is the volume of
Volume,
cone.
cone plus volume of hemisphere.
Very good. So what's the formula for it? 1 by 3 pi r
Pi
square h.
H.
There's no need to find the slant height. For the hemisphere, we have 2 upon 3 pi r cube. Now listen, in order to solve easily, we take common as 3, we take common as pi, we take common as r square. Okay?
Mm.
Now, height plus 2r. Now, moreover, height is equal to r, which is equal to 1. So, we
Yes.
have pi by 3 r
Mm.
square r plus 2r, which is
Yes.
equal to pi by 3 r square 3r,
Yeah.
which is equal to pi by 3 3r cube. Now in place of r, we can substitute 1 centimeter because radius is 1 centimeter. So we have pi by 3 into 1 ka cube. Both of them get cancelled and we have the answer as pi.
Pi.
And it is the volume, so centimeter cube. Height is 12 centimeter. And here the height of each cone is 2 centimeter. This is again 2 centimeter. So the remaining portion will be 12 minus 4, that is 8 centimeter. So in this way, diameter of cone is equal to cylinder is equal to 3 centimeter. So radius is equals to 3 by 2 centimeter. Now height of cone is equal to 2 centimeter and height of cylinder is 8 centimeter. In this line it is given model this word. So total volume is volume of cylinder plus volume of two cones. So which is equal to pi r square h. I use capital H for the cylinder
Yes.
and
Yes.
1 upon
And
3
small
pi
h.
r square h into 2. Now I can also multiply here. Just multiply 3 pi r square h plus pi r square small h into 2. And we take 3 as a common, as a
Mm.
LCM. So the common things we have pi r square by 3. Now here we have 3h plus 2h. So 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 1 by 3
Mm.
into 8 into 3 plus 2
Plus
into
2.
2. Now these values get cancelled to 11 or just
11.
leave it. Don't cut it. So 22 into 3 over 7 into 4.
Half
Here
cent.
we have 24 plus 4, that is 28.
Yes.
Now 7 can easily be cut.
One.
Okay. Now we
Yes.
have 66 centimeter cube. And syrup is about 30% of its volume. That means the volume of gulab jamun And see, volume of syrup is 30% of the volume of the gulab jamun. It is volume of syrup is 30% of volume of gulab jamun. So firstly, we have to find the volume of gulab jamun. So volume of one gulab jamun. Gulab jamun is a shape of like this, and it is round at the corners.
The two
Yes.
hemispherical. Yes.
Now, a shape like a cylinder with two hemispherical ends with length 5 centimeter. That means total length is 5 centimeter
Yes.
and diameter
2.8 centimeters.
2.8 centimeter. So, how will you find the volume? Volume of cylinder.
Volume of cylinder plus 2 into volume of hemisphere.
Now,
It's
volume of cylinder pi r square h. Now, volume of hemisphere.
0.3 pi r cube.
Okay, you have a very good memory. Now, the diameter is 2.8 centimeter. So, radius is equal to 1.4
1.4.
centimeter. Now, height of the cylindrical portion. How will you find? Listen, if this is a hemisphere, it is 1.4. So, this is also 1.4.
Because radius is
So,
only that.
this is 1.4. So, this is
Yes.
1.4. So,
Hmm.
that means height is equal to 5 minus 2 into 1.4. 2.8. That is zero point 0.2, then 2.2.
Yes.
Okay,
Hmm.
this is the height of the cylindrical
Portion.
portion. Now we have to substitute. Now here volume of height of cylinder, I will let it take h.
Yep.
Now radius is same, so pi r square is common. Now height of cylinder is 2.2 plus 2 into 2 by 3, and here radius, so radius is 1.4. This is the volume of one gulab jamun. So here we have 22 by 7. Radius is 1.4 into 1.4, 2.2. Now to those are 4. Okay. So
Hmm.
14 fours are 4 fours are 16, 4 ones are 4 1 5 upon 3. So 22 by 7. Solve it.
Hmm.
3. 7 twos are 14. 3 twos are 6 1 7. 3 6 are 18. So we get 22 into 0.2 into 1.4 into 2.6. Multiply and tell me what is the answer.
Hmm.
Approximately 26. Okay. Hmm? Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is the volume of one gulab jamun.
Hmm.
Now there are 45 gulab jamuns. So volume of 45 gulab jamuns.
Hmm. Okay, volume into 45.
We have to multiply with 45. Now volume of syrup. It is the 30% of the volume. That means 30 by 100 into 45 into 26.016. Multiply them.
Huh.
You just multiply all these numbers simply.
Yes.
30 into 45. Just leave everything. Take only 26 by 100. Firstly multiply 45 and 26. What's the answer?
45 into 26. 1170.
So approximately we can say 351. Near about 351.
Yes.
So these answers must be near about, because if we use wood which is made up of wood. Now in this wooden box there's a depressions. Okay, that means this wood is cut out from this box. So find the volume of the wood in the entire stand. So wood in the stand is volume of the box minus volume of the depressions, which are made in these boxes. But there are how many depressions? 1, 2, 3 and 4 depressions. So volume of the box is in the cuboid shape. So volume of cuboid, we have to use volume of cuboid, and 4 times depressions. Now depressions you can see these are in the form of cones. This is only the depression. So volume of cone. Now in the cuboid, length, breadth and height. So length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter and height is 3.5 centimeter. Now what is the volume of cuboid? Length into breadth into height. Now 4 into volume of cone, you know, 1 upon 3 pi r square h. Now we have to find the radius and the height. Now what is the radius and height of these depressions? The radius of depression is 0.4 centimeter
0.5.
and depth is 1.4 centimeter. Now we simply put all the values and find the answer. Here we can't take the common, we have to solve each and everything. Height is 1.8. So when we multiply 15 into 35 minus 'Listen, sometimes you people got problems in the decimal. If you got problem, just convert into fractions. It becomes so easy to calculate without any mistake. Okay? 7
Yes.
twos are 14. Now 5 twos are 10. It is get cancelled. 5 twos are 10. 2 twos are 4. 2 twos are 2 fives are 10. Now we have 22 by 50 minus 15 into 35. I think we can solve it now.
Yes.
You simply divide 22 by 15. 1, 1.4 near about, or you can take 1.5. Now multiply 15 into 35. 15 5 is 75, 15 3 is 45. 5 to 5. Now subtract them. Centimeter, and base radius is 3.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area. Now what is the total surface area of article? Hmm? That is curved surface area of the cylinder plus these two hemispheres. Okay, so CSA of hemispheres, and we have to multiply with 2 because there are two hemispheres. Now we just make the data for the cylinder. Radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter and height is equal to 10 centimeter. Now for the hemisphere, radius is equal to 3.5 centimeter. Now what's the formula? Tell me.
Pi. For cylinder, it's pi square h.
2 pi RH.
Yes.
It is CSA, curved surface area.
Yes. And
And 2
then
times
for hemisphere,
hmm,
it's 2 pi r square.
R square. Yes. Now radius is same in both of these cases.
Hmm.
So it becomes, firstly we try to take the common. It makes our calculation easier.
Yes.
2 pi r. So here I left with h, here 2r. Then I substitute different values.
Into 3.5.
2 into 3.5. Okay. Now when we cut, it becomes
0.
0.5. And here 35 to the 70, that is 7. Now when we multiply these two, it becomes 1, 10.0, that is 1. Clear? Now you multiply and find out the answer. 17 to the 34, 17 to the 34 and 3, 37. It is curved surface area, so it is centimeter square. Okay. Now its height is 8 centimeter and its radius is 5 centimeter.
5 centimeter.
Now it is filled with water, and now I drop the lead shots in it. Clear?
Hmm. Hmm.
As a result, some water flows out, and the radius of this lead shot
0.5
is
centimeter.
0.5 centimeter. So that means the volume of the water which was over here. So volume of water flows out. It is equal to the volume of the shots. Okay, because the space and the volume occupied by the shot is equal to the extra water. Okay, because
Hmm.
already it is filled with water. Okay. Hmm?
Hmm. Yes.
So 1/4 of the water flows out. So what is the water? What is the volume of the water which is flowed out?
1/4.
1/4. So we find the volume of water in cone. And 1/4 of the volume of water in cone is equal to volume of water flows out. Clear?
Yes.
So in this equation, what we picked,
Volume of water in cone into volume into 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 4.
is equal to volume of shots, that is volume of a sphere.
Volume, yes.
So now with this cone we use the formula 1 upon 3 pi r square h into 1 by 4 number of shots n into 4 upon 3 pi r cube. Now use this formula and find the answer and send me on WhatsApp. There's somebody, I'm just coming. Okay. Now have you calculated this?
No, 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 no. I'm writing the first previous steps we have done because I hadn't written anything. So first I'm
Okay, okay,
doing that, then
okay,
I'll
okay.
solve.
Just write down. So here 1 by 3, 1 by 4. It becomes 1 by 12 pi.
By
Now radius of the cone is
5
5
centimeters.
square and height of cone is 8 centimeter.
8,
Number of lead shots 4 by
4,
3 pi.
5,
Here the radius of the lead shots 0.5 cube.
3.5.
Now we can cut pi and pi.
Fine, yes.
Okay, 3 fours are 12. Okay,
And
so we left behind 25 into 8 by 4, which is equal to n into 4. Here I just make in the fraction. Okay, so 5 by 10, 5 by
5,
10
5
and
by 10.
5 by 10. So
On
value of
the
n,
LHS we can cancel also, no, before like taking it
yeah,
there.
yeah,
4 and 8.
we, we can also
Ones
cancel, yeah.
and twos
2
are.
twos are 8 and 5 twos are 10, 5 twos are 10. So 2 twos are 4, it is also get cancelled.
Cancel, yes.
So we get 25 twos are 50, which is equal to 5 by 10 n. Okay, so 50
Yes.
into 10 by 5 is equals to n. So n we have how many shots?
100. 100
Height is 220 centimeter and its diameter
times
is 24
24.
centimeter.
So
That means
radius to
it's 12 centimeter. Here in this case, height is
6.
60 centimeter and
Diameter
radius is
8 centimeter.
radius.
Radius.
So
Oh,
this second cylinder is small in size. Okay,
yes.
so the picture may be like this. This is the first cylinder and this is the second cylinder.
Second cylinder.
Okay, now we have to find the mass of the pole. According to question, we have to find the mass of pole. Now we have a formula: density is equal to mass upon volume.
Yes.
So in order to calculate mass, we have to find the volume, then we multiply with density.
Density.
So now I'm going to solve this question. Firstly, we find the volume of pole, that is the volume of first cylinder plus volume of second cylinder. So which is equal to, what is the formula for the volume? Pi
Volume
r
of
square h for the cylinder.
H.
Okay,
Yes.
and here I will take pi r square h. because the radius and the height in both the cases they are different. So here we can see the pi is same in both the cases. So we take common. So r square h plus r square h. Now we substitute the different values. Now for the r we have 8 into 8 and height is 60. Here we have 220 into 12 into 12. Now we have to solve this. So it is 22 by 7. Now we have to multiply. 8 is 64 into 60. 0, 4 6 are 24, 6 6 are 36, 37, 38. 3840. Here we have 12 pairs are 144. 144 into 22. 2 4 are 8, 2 4 are 8, 2 1 are 2. 8, 8 and 2. 8 8 16, 8 2 10 and 11, 3 1 6 8. Okay,
Yes.
and 0. Now add up both of them. 3840. It is 60. So it is 0, 8 4 12, 7 8 15, 3 1 4 1 5, 3 55 20. I will take it as a pi. Okay, after some time we will cut. Now what is the question? Find the mass of the pole 1 centimeter cube has 8 gram. Okay, density is 8 gram. So 1 centimeter cube has a mass of 8 gram. Clear? So 35520 pi has a mass of 8 into 35520 pi. Pi you can take 3.14 as it is mentioned in the question. So now you multiply all these three and try to find the answer whether it is correct or
Cylinder,
hemisphere
cone, hemisphere.
and cylinder. That means all of the three formulas are used over here. Now solid consisting of a right circular cone of height 120 centimeter. Now for the cone we have the height 120
120
centimeter.
centimeter.
See how I am analyzing the questions. Okay, because
Yes.
in the board examinations the data may change, the question may change, and you people must got how to deal with the questions. Only then you are able to solve. And radius is 60 centimeter. So it is 60 centimeter. Standing on a hemisphere of radius 60 centimeter. That means we can see both the radius are same.
Radius are same.
It is obvious over here. Clear?
Yes.
Now it is placed in the cylinder which is full of water. The cylinder contains the full of water. Find the volume of water left. That means when we put this vessel into the cylinder, some water flows out. Here we have to find the water which is left in the cylinder, not the water which is flows out. Okay. If the radius of cylinder is also again the same, that is 60 centimeter, and its height is 180
One.
centimeter.
Yes, I.
Tell me the answer.
Yes. But somewhere about my problem is but 1.13.
Yeah.
0.
So just note
I think
this
it
in
was
your notebook. Just note
approx.
this in your notebook.
What?
Note this thing in your notebook.
Tube.
Note it properly. It will help you. Okay.
Yes.
I do understand this question.
Yes.
So what's the final answer? Can you tell me?
That only
You make
spherical
a
glass.
circle, make a circle,
Oh,
round
that's
bottom flask which you see in your laboratories.
okay.
Yeah,
So it's like the spirit lamp color shape.
yeah. Cylindrical neck is 8 centimeter long. So we have two types of figure in our model, cylinder and the sphere. Okay,
Yes.
so its height is 8 centimeter.
It's centimeter.
It's easy to make data like this. Then our question become easy. Okay, so diameter 2
2 centimeter.
centimeter.
Radius
So
will be
radius 1
1 centimeter.
yeah. You also note that the diameter of the spherical part is 8.5 centimeter.
Hmm.
So radius becomes 8.5 by 2. Clear? Now, by measuring the amount of water it holds, a child finds its volume is 345. Now, a child fills the water in it and she says that the volume is 345. Now, check whether she is correct or not. That means we have to find the volume of this cylindrical spherical glass vessel. Hmm? So, volume of vessel is equal to what? Volume of cylinder plus volume of sphere. Now, tell me the formula for volume of cylinder
Volume of cylinder pi r square h.
and sphere.
4/3 pi r cube.
Now, here the radius are different in both the cases. So
Hmm.
we take only common pi. There's one more way. Hmm? You just multiply with it 3 and take 1 by 3 pi common. So it becomes 3 r square h plus 4 r cube. Okay, 1 upon 3 pi. 3 r square, that is 1 into 1. Height is 8 plus 4. Radius is 8.5 by 2, 3 times. Now calculate.